Reddit stories. I was lying in my bed. Everything was exactly the same as in real life, and it was night. However, my bedroom window faces the street, and a faint light from what was supposed to be the moon was coming through. On my nightstand, something started to rattle, and when I tried to turn on the light, the switch is next to my bed, there was no electricity. I managed to grab the object that was rattling with my hand, and it wouldn't stop moving. It had a spherical shape, and as I held it, I got up to look for a more intense light source, which made me go down to the patio. Apparently, that small sphere was the one preventing the electricity from working, and in one of its movements, it shot up to the sky from my hand. When I looked up at the sky, I heard a voice in my mind telling me not to be afraid, that it was the God of the universe. I began to question how it could be the original when there are so many gods in so many cultures. The voice replied that it was the same God for everyone, in the whole universe, and for all beliefs, telling me not to feel alone because it was always with me. After that, I noticed figures descending from the sky, humanoid figures. In a blink, one of them turned into Jesus Christ. We had a conversation about why it had taken that form, and in the end he told me that I had to go back to where I belonged. He gave me a hug and put me on a bus, not knowing the destination. At that moment, I woke up and realized I was in the same position I had fallen asleep in. Exactly the same. I'm not sharing this to give it religious connotations, just to share my experience, as this is not the first time I've had these kinds of dreams that feel so real, where entities speak to me mentally.